Hey guys, good evening. It's me again. And just a quick video from our living room because this Atkin, the 19, sounds so incredible today that I have to share it with you all. Strung with Diodario Phosphor Bronze lights, XS strings, and playing with the blue chip TD35, my favorite pick in the world. Sustain is incredible. The J19, the 19, is a shrinked down version of the all famous J43, which is basically a copy of the J45 by Gibson. Atkin's take is named J43, and this one, the 19, is simply a bit smaller. It's somewhere between the LG and the J shape, if you want, and it delivers. It is somewhere a hybrid of the two worlds, I think. It's not as loud and boomy as the J, I think, but it has more punch than the LG. Mahogany and baked Sitka top. The bass response is beautiful. It has the aged finish. Let's play something with the fingers. So sweet. And what's amazing with all Atkin guitars is that when you capo them, or capo as the British guys would say, they hold the substance. It's not getting tinny. Again with the pick. by Atkin, handmade in Great Britain. Try one if you have the opportunity. It won't disappoint you. See you next time. Bye bye.